know many people are having trouble with changing the battery of their Timex IRONMA and traditional 30-lap T5K692 watch? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find professional assistance. Find a trusted jeweler or retailer to handle the battery replacement, ensuring it's the specific type listed on the back of your watch. Step 2. Press Reset Switch. Once the battery of your Timex IRONMA and traditional 30-lap T5K692 is replaced, if there's an internal reset switch, give it a brief press or short it. Step 3. Discard old battery. Remember, don't throw the old battery in fire or try to recharge it. Keep all loose batteries away from children. Step 4. Understand battery life. Your battery life may vary depending on how you use your watch, as estimates are based on certain usage conditions. Step 5. Maintain water resistance. Make sure the lens, push buttons, and case of the watch remain intact to maintain water resistance. Step 6. Rinse after salt water. After exposure to salt water, ensure to rinse your watch with fresh water to maintain its optimal condition. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully replace the battery in your Timex IRONMA and traditional 30-lap T5K692 watch and ensure its optimal performance. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Timex users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.